Watch.
That's in your hat? That is magic.
See how it's flat?
Whoa.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Magic. I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you how to do 3 magic hat tricks.
My hat is deep and full of magic.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go. This first one is a cool hat trick that you can do at home. Check it out.
Oh, that was so cool. That was cool.
Quick and easy handling of this hat trick. Here's how it's done. Okay, the secret to the hat flip is really simple. This is one that you guys can do at home. It's just a cool kind of flourishy way to put a hat on. Practice flipping it up onto your hand. You're gonna hold the hat by the brim, flip it up, and flip it back down. Up and back. So up and back. Then you're just gonna carry through that motion and let it flip off your hand onto your head. And it takes some practice to get it just right, but it's gonna flip over your hand like this. You're gonna continue through and it's just gonna go right there on your head like that. So you're gonna take it just like this, flip it over onto your head. Really easy to do once you get it right and you get the timing down. Just gonna let the hat tumble all the way over your hand just like that. And then you can kind of like put it onto your head as it makes that second roll. It really looks cool with a fedora or like a magic top hat. So try it out at home. It's a really cool magical flourish to put on a hat. And that is how you do the magic hat flip flourish. Okay, this trick adds a whole new meaning to the term tipping your hat. Check it out. Okay, Veronica, I have a fan of money here. Check it out. Take it like this.
Okay. How cool is that? Yeah. Wow. Can I try it on? That's magical. Oh my, what? That is magic.
Okay, here is the secret to the magic money hat. Okay, here is the secret to the magic hat trick. The magic money hat is really, really cool. This is actually a spring-loaded hat. The sides are made of a printed fabric material, and the top can compress down into the base just like that. There's like a spring-loaded metal frame inside here that makes it spring back up in the shape of a hat. So press this down, and then you fold it in half like this, and then it has this little clip right here. You can actually just clip in place, and now whenever you want, all you have to do is press the 2 sides together like this, and the hook will pop out from the eye just like that. Now all you have to do is let off the pressure of the hat and it will spring open. So you can toss it up in the air, and it's super easy to reset it. All you do is press down on the top of the hat. The spring-loaded metal frame will compress down like this, and then just fold it in half. You want to make sure the fabric is kind of tucked down inside like this, and then pop the hook into the eye, and you're good to go for your next performance. So you grab it, pop the hook open, toss the hat up, and it opens into a super cool money hat. Then you can use your cool hat flourish, pop it on your head, and add a little more flair to the end of your hat performance. Another great addition to the trick to kind of make it more convincing is to add a couple real bills to the spread. You've got the hat folded up, ready to go here. You're gonna take a few extra $100 bills and add them to the back. So you're just gonna hold those in place right there. When you throw the hat up in the air, the bills will flutter out as the hat pops out, and it helps to enforce the idea in the spectator's mind that it was a real fan of bills that actually turned into a hat. And that is the secret of the magic money hat. Here's a magic hat trick that has been surprising audiences for years. Take a look. See, you're all bundled up there. Also need a hat because it's kind of cold outside.
Okay.
This one's a little flat though. Watch.
That is flat.
Cool, huh? Now you're a magician for real. You're a real magician now.
Yay.
Okay, here's the secret to the magic pop-out hat trick. Okay, here is the explanation to the magic pop-up hat. So it starts out totally flat, just like this, and then all you have to do is pop it, just like that. Now what actually happens is the wind catches the inside of the hat and makes it pop out. And just like the money hat, there's a frame, a wire frame built into the sides right here, and this is like a stretchy fabric. So you collapse it down like that. You can pack it flat in a suitcase or in your magic kit, and then when you're ready, just pop it like that, and the air will actually catch the inside of the hat as you pull it like this, and will make the spring-loaded apparatus pop out. It looks like the hat just magically grows, or you can almost make it look like a hat just magically appears. And I guess you could do like a reverse of this and make the hat vanish. So it's really simple. You're just gonna bring it forward and then back really quickly. Pop up just like that. It is a classic hat trick, and be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm giving this away to one lucky comment. And that is the secret of the magic pop-out hat. Okay, this one is an impossible transformation that all takes place inside your hat. Check it out. Hey, Eva, I have a trick to show you.
What?
All right, so I have my hat here. Also have a napkin.
Okay.
Check that out. Napkin normal. All right, watch. I'm gonna take the napkin. It goes down inside the hat. See it?
See it?
Now watch. Just wave my hand over the hat like this.
Yep.
If I reach down inside.
Yeah. I thought it was a napkin. Why is there so much? Why? How much is in there? Never ending. This is impossible.
Nothing's impossible.
What?
You reached the end.
Attention everybody. There's going to be a major storm of paper. If you get 2 million subscribers, we will do a hat full of 3 and I will tie my dad up in this.
You will not.
Yes, I will.
Okay, here's the secret setup to this amazing trick. Okay, here is the secret behind the magic napkin and the hat trick. You're going to need this right here. This is called a hat coil. It's a giant roll of paper, and stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm also giving this away to 1 lucky comment. Well, I'm giving one of these away, not this one. So once you use them once, they're done for. So if you win the giveaway, this is what you will get. It's just a big roll of paper. It starts from the middle. So you want to pop this little piece of cardboard out of the middle. That's where the roll is going to start unraveling from. Okay, now that you've removed the center of the coil, you're ready to set up the trick. Now you can really make the coil appear from anything that is big enough to fit inside, but doing it from inside a top hat is a very, very nice effect. I'm gonna start out with the coil hidden down inside the hat. A great presentation I like to use is to take a napkin, ball it up, toss it inside the hat, give it a magical wave, snap your fingers. You're gonna grab the coil from the middle and start to pull, just like this. Now it's gonna look like the napkin has turned into the coil. The key is to drag the coil all the way out, kind of do it in like a circular motion, look like it's spiraling out of the hat. So it creates this huge, crazy pile of paper. It looks like it's just an endless supply of paper coming out of the hat. Super magical looking, and it's really, really easy to do. And that is how you use your hat to turn a napkin into an endless paper ribbon. This is a really cool hat trick that you can do at home with a deck of cards. Check it out. Okay, Bea, I have a cool card trick to show you. So check this out. Say deck of cards, normal deck of cards. Check it out, make sure it's normal, and pick out any card you want. Random choice.
They're all red.
Doesn't matter if I see the card, because you're gonna sign the front of it. Okay? What are you going with?
There.
Queen of Diamonds. All right, sign the front face.
Just sign anything?
Yeah, anything you want. Sign your name, and then maybe like sign the date too, so we know it's not a duplicate card like one I've had you sign before, because you signed a lot of cards.
This has to be my specific card today.
Huh? Okay. Back there. Let it dry. Show the camera. Got it.
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay, now we're gonna take the deck of cards. Put it right down here on the table. You could have picked any card.
Yes.
I'm gonna take the card that you signed and make it vanish from the deck. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It's gone. Watch. Come up here to my hat.
Is it really?
You can actually see inside.
Are you kidding me?
The card right there inside my hat. Now, what was the card again? Do you remember?
King of Queen of Diamonds.
Queen of Diamonds, that one, right?
That's seriously in your hat? Yeah, that's my card.
Right?
That's my card. What the heck? I'm shocked. I don't even know. You made it jump to your hat? This is my card. I don't even know what to say. This is my card.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret of this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here is what you need to pull off the card to the hat trick. First off, you're going to need a hat. You can do it with really any hat. You're going to need a marker of some kind. And the last thing you're going to need is a standard deck of cards. So these are all different cards. It's not a special deck or anything like that, and they genuinely pick any card they want. The rest of the deck can be set aside, and then they sign the front face of the card. Now, once they've signed the card, you're going to have them put it back on top of the deck just like that. You can then set the cards down on the table. Now, what they don't see is that before the trick started, you're going to slip one card into your hat, and you're going to do that away from anyone's view. You don't want your spectator to see you do that, so you're going to start the trick out with a card already in your hat. And obviously your hat's going to be on your head. So now we have their signed card on top. We have our card loaded into the hat. Now all we have to do is give it a magical wave, snap our fingers, and convince them that the card has disappeared from the deck. Then all you're gonna do is reach up, grab your hat, and you wanna make sure you have this position to where when you lift up the hat, you're going to see the back of the card. You don't want them to see the front because this is just a random card. So you're going to pull the card out of the hat. They're going to be amazed at this point because they're going to think that this is their card in the hat. Now all you're going to do is drop it on the top of the deck. Now we know that their card is actually the top card of the deck right there, the one they signed. We're going to drop our random card from the hat right on top of it. And then all we're going to do is do a double lift. You're simply going to lift these two cards up as one, just like that, and show their signed card. It's a super simple way to make it look like a signed card appeared from an impossible place. All you really have to do is master a double lift. Now another addition you can add to this is to put a little piece of double stick tape on the card that's hidden inside your hat. Now what this is helpful for is to have their card on top of the deck. The signed card is right here. You have the double-sided tape card hidden in your hat. You can then take that out, drop it on top of the deck, square up the cards, squeeze right here in the middle, and the double-sided tape will allow the cards to stick together so that you don't really have to do much of a double lift. The cards are just held together right like that. It's a complete free choice. There's no forcing, and it's really easy to do. And that is how you do the magic sign card to the hat. Alright guys, if you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. It really does help. Helps the video get more views. Share it on your Facebook or Twitter. Text or email it to a friend who you think might like it. And of course, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic hat props from this video. I'm giving away the money hat, giving away a hat coil, a magic pop-up hat, and 3 Laugh at Life beanies. So lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment on the video, and be subscribed to the channel. So if you want to win the money hat, or collapsible hat, or a hat coil, leave your comments in the comment section. Today's keyword is hat. I'll be picking winners from the comment section and mailing out the hat tricks so that you can do these cool magic tricks at home for your friends and family. Alright guys, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me a private message on YouTube with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section down below. Again, if you like these hat tricks, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe right there. Check out another How To Magic video right over there. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and help support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.